Now you know the difference between a male and female. See that?
Yeah. That's cool.
Hey, Ashley, wanna go? He'll do it.
No, just go. Just go.
Do it again. Show his face. How the bird's face me. Can you get in the light? Can you get in the light? Can you do it again? Can you do the Adam's Family side? He can do it a little bit, but he gets stuck in the loop. Can you go?
You know how that
Hey, I'm recording. These two might become parents real soon.
You should put this up online.
He's singing to her.
That's how they do each other.
Show you're kind of upsetting her. I'm almost done. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna feed him some eggs to help the calcium sure to have eggs. Cayenne. She doesn't know it's food. She'll get there.
Let's see what my fingers look like. I love seeing what fingers look like.
You're obsessed with Band-Aids. Oh my gosh. Just keep it on.
Yeah, just keep it on for a day, Ashley.
I like Band-Aids.
Did Froggy peck at me?
Oh, no, we tried to get a Cayenne, but he winded up getting your earring.
I don't have an earring in.
Oh, it looked like you had one.
How pretty you are.
Don't show him the mirror.
Oh, I have a mirror in my birdcage. You've seen how big my birdcage is. It's
Mm-hmm.
My birdcage is like
I taught him that. I taught him. I always went like this to him, and he does it now. It's so cute. Hey.
She's bowing down to him.
Do it. Go what? Make that, Michelle, do it again. Go what? Do it again. Can you go what? I want to catch it on film, Shell.
How much did you pay for him?
I don't know.
$300. Yeah, Froggy was $300. The male.
Isn't it? It's probably because he's all trained.
No, yeah. He wasn't trained. We got him as a baby at Petco. Shell, can you go what? Do it.
Don't you dare bite my ear. I'll kill you. Oh, baby. He's like, oh, baby.
I know, he's gotten on her back before.
I taught him that.
Is that the mating call?
No, I just taught him
They
that.
just like talk pretty.
Don't peck at him, you jerk.
Yeah, she snapped at him.
Melissa, or Ashley, the little Bob won't come out.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have to train him somehow.
Did you let you pet him?
No.
No, you want to try? Take him out?
I don't want to have a heart attack.
Yeah, budgies are, I think they're really fun at it. You know you're clawing me.
We love these two lovebirds.
Don't bite him, you jerk. Hey, Buggy.
Then he gets her back.
He likes being pet with my hand. Woo. Whoa.
He's singing to her, Shell.
Is this the hot one?
Yeah, that's hot water.
I kind of want to watch them
Well,
bathe.
I'm gonna turn the heater on then,
What
so
are you guys gonna do? What do you
Yeah.
mean, the heater on? Like, what?
so it's warm when we put them back in.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like the house heater. I was like, no.
I can't believe Cayenne is 2 years older than Foggy.
Okay.
Wonder what she's saying to him.
She's like, screw off.
Yeah, he's being horny.